Hey, Melissa. So the SEC is charging two crypto firms with allegedly selling and offering unregistered securities. So this is for Gemini, which is founded by the Winklevoss twins, and Genesis. These two firms had teamed up on one of those high-interest bearing products. It was called Earn. It offered about 8% yield for customers. On the back end, they were lending that out to hedge funds, and the SEC saying that this product should have been registered as a security. Gary Gensler in a statement saying that today's charges build on previous actions to make clear the marketplace and investing public that crypto lending products and their other intermediaries need to comply with time-tested securities laws. I mentioned the Winklevoss twins here of Facebook and social network fame. Genesis, meanwhile, is a lending firm, one of the first really market makers and lenders in this space, shut down a few months ago as a result of what's happened with FTX. But one of the big lenders here, they teamed up, as I mentioned, on that interest-bearing product. These two firms have been fighting back and forth over this Earn product. But the latest here from the SEC, we've had a lot going back and forth between these two firms when it comes to this. But an action here and a statement we've got from Gary Gensler. Melissa, back to you.
Kate, it seems kind of odd. It seems like too little too late. I mean, how long has this program been going on? There were other firms that were also engaging in similar practices in terms of lending out, offering customers to lend out their crypto for a high yield return. And here we are, the SEC doing this after this program is effectively shut down.
Yeah, absolutely too little too late. If you look at, in terms of customer protection, there's now a class action lawsuit against Gemini because about $1 billion or so of customer money from Gemini is locked up in that lending product. So this does not prevent anybody from getting into the securities contract. It is sort of retroactive in this case. If anything, it seems to be a warning shot to other crypto companies that are probably already on high alert based on what's happened in the lending space. But absolutely. And I should also mention Genesis, that lending company, is also owned by Digital Currency Group, which is the same parent company that owns the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is a publicly traded investment vehicle, GBTC. And so there's been a lot of talk about what this means for that investment product itself.
All right. Kate, thanks. Kate Rooney with the very latest on that.